Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are very fine. And we all are waiting for the vaccine, which is still, I think, far away with us. So, till then, please keep yourself safe from the things. In the previous class, I taught you about the different things regarding charts and how to start chart, how to make chart. This I also taught you in the previous class. Today I will tell you that how you can move, how can you resize, how can you delete a chart in Excel. But before starting my lecture, I want to request you all that please keep yourself very safe. Don't go outside without any very necessary work is there. So let us start our today's class and I am starting my class with the topic given in front of you all. Moving, resizing, deleting charts in Excel. Once we have created an embedded chart in worksheet, you can resize it, delete it, and move it from one place to another if needed. Now follow the following steps to do the same. Step is what? First of all, you have to click on it. To move the chart, place the cursor on the chart area. A four-headed chart appears. Press and drag it in order to move the chart in any direction. Release the mouse button to place it at the desired location. To resize the chart, what you have to do? I think you all have resized your photograph. The same thing you can do with chart also. To resize the chart, position the mouse pointer on any of the corner border of the chart. You will observe that the changes to a double-headed arrow. Now drag the handle in the desired direction to change the size accordingly. The last one is to delete the chart. To delete the chart from the worksheet, click anywhere on the chart to select it and then press the delete key. So this is the steps, or we can say these are the following steps by which you can move, resize or delete your chart. Hope you all will do it in your computer system. Next topic is formatting a chart. How we can format our chart, this I will explain you in this section. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. We can format the chart by changing its title, text, font, line color. On value axis, hide or show grid lines. We can format the chart in various ways. The first one is click on the insert tab and select any chart type, and then choose layout tab, select the chart element that you want to format. So this is the steps. Then changing the plot area background. Suppose you want to change the background of your plot area. Then for that what you have to do? You can modify the chart by changing the background. How? Right click on the plot area and select the format plot area option. The format plot area dialog box will appear in front of you all as you are seeing in figure 3.21. Select border styles, border color, shadow, etc. according to your choice. Whatever area you want to change, or you want to change the color of that area, you just select it from the menu. By default, the fill tab is selected. Select the solid fill option in the right pane, then click on the color button and select the desired color from the drop down menu which is in front of you. You can see also this is the color pane. Then click on the close button and observe the change. Yes, after clicking on close button, here it is. Here it is. When you click on it, you will observe the change. Next, one thing you have to note, it menu. So this is the steps to format your chart. Now next one is inserting the chart title. Inserting the chart title means what chart title you want to give your chart. You can do it from this way. Once you insert the chart, you need to specify the chart title. It gives the idea about the kind of data a chart contains. Moreover, it enhances the appearance of a chart also. To insert a chart title in Excel, follow the steps given below. Select the chart first, then click on the chart title button in the labels group on the layout tab. Select the desired option from the drop down list of options specifying the position of the chart title. Suppose you select the above chart option, a text box will appear right above the chart with chart title written inside it. And whatever chart title you want to give, you just click on that box and you can give the chart title. Now formatting the chart title, that means after writing any name, you can format it also. After assigning a chart title, you can also format it. There are two ways to format a chart title. Method 1. Select the chart title, click on the chart title button in the labels group on the layout tab. A drop down menu will appear. Available options, and figure 3.23 is given in front of you. It is the formatting chart title pane. Next, method 2, right click on the chart title, select the format chart title option from the shortcut menu. The format chart title dialog box will appear in front of you. You can modify the chart title by using various formatting options available in this dialog box, as I told you before. So this is the way by which you can format your chart title, and this is the way by which you can add any chart title to your chart. Next topic is formatting the axis. You can format axis also. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart on a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and y-axis. However, we can customize the scale to meet your needs and requirements. What are the steps required? Follow these steps. Click on the chart to select it. Point the mouse at y-axis. Right click on it and select the format axis option from the shortcut menu. The format axis dialog box will open. The axis option tab is selected by default. Click on the fixed radio button for minimum fields and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the text box of the maximum field. Click on the close button. The scale on the chart changes accordingly. Likewise, change the properties of x-axis. Whatever written inside it, but I cannot do anything in this because these are the steps and we cannot ignore any steps. And from anywhere I will tell you, if will in the school I teach you these things in the computer system. Now these things as we are not in the school, you all have to do at your home computer systems. So keep in mind, whatever I am teaching over here, whatever I am explaining over here, you just do it once at your home, and I am very sure that you will be cleared whatever I taught you over here. Next, formatting legend. Legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legend mostly appear on the right of a chart. You can place them anywhere in a chart areas as per your choice. You can format text, background, boundary and color of a legend. Right click on the legend boundary and select format legend option. The format legend dialog box will appear. Click on the border color tab and select the solid line option. Choose the desired color. Select the border styles tab. Click on the dash type drop down list and select any style. Define the thickness of the border styles in the width spin box. To position the legend on the chart, steps which you have to follow if you want to format your things like chart title, like legend, like axis. These things if you want to format, then you have to go with these following steps what is given in your book. So always keep book in front of you all. Then the last one is formatting data series. This is the last topic of your this chapter. You can format a data series by changing the bar colors, lines, slices and shifting their positions. Let us follow these steps. Right click on the data series, select format data series option from the shortcut menu. The format data series dialog box will open. Click on the fill tab, choose the picture or texture fill option. Click on the texture drop down button and select any texture from the display choices. Click on the shadow tab and select the desired format from presets drop down menu. Click on the close button. This is the steps to format any data series. So keep in your mind, as I am telling every time, that you have to understand it by at least doing once at your home. So steps are given in your book, and if you don't have book, you can go the steps by this video also, as I have given you that what are the steps to do these things in your practicals. So go through it. And one thing again I am telling you in this video, please do yoga at your home to make yourself free from any type of or any sort of diseases. In the next video, from any type of disease. Till then, goodbye.